respected principal, coordinator ma'am, teachers, and all lovely students. Today, we students of class 5A are here to present our assembly on the topic sustainability. Sustainability means using the things we need today, like water, food, and energy, without using them all up or damaging the earth, so that people in the future, like your coming generations, can still enjoy it. Now, for example, imagine I have a candy jar. Now, situation A, non-sustainable approach. I'll take one candy every day, but I'll not put back any candies. Slowly but surely, the jar will run out. Hence, I cannot enjoy. But situation B, sustainable approach. If I take one candy every day and put one back, the jar will never run out. Hence, I can enjoy them for as long as I want. Our earth is just like a normal candy jar. It has special things like water, trees, and oil, which can run out if we use them too fast. Now, my classmates Shiva will lead you to a prayer of sustainable action.
I request you all to join our hands and close our eyes for the prayer. Creator God, you gave us responsibility for the earth, a world of riches and delight. Create in us a desire to live sustainably, so that those who follow after us may enjoy the fruit of your creation. Amen.
Now, Dhirit and Soham will present the thought of the day.
The thought for the day is, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. This thought reminds us that the earth does not only belong to us, but it teaches us two very important lessons.
The meaning of the thought is, the earth is a gift. The clean water, green trees, fresh air and animals around us are the things we must share in the future. We are caretakers. Just like when you borrow a favorite book or a toy from a friend, you should take care of it and return it in a perfect condition.
Moving on, now my classmates will provide practical tips for sustainability.
Reduce food waste. Plan your meals. Use leftover creatively and store food properly.
Power chunk. Unplug devices when not in use to avoid phantom energy drain and switch to LED lights bulbs, which is least longer and use for less power. Choose active transport. Walking or cycling for short trips is great for your health and the environment. Use public transport or carpool. Sharing ride reduces the number of vehicles on the road and lowers overall emissions.
Reduce and reuse. First, before recycling, try to buy less stuff in the first place and reuse what you have already owned.
Say no to single use of plastic. Switch to reuse like water bottles, coffee cups and shopping bags to keep the plastic out of our ocean.
Fix leaks and turn off the tap. A dripping tap or leaky toilet can waste a surprising amount of water over time. Don't leave water running while brushing your teeth or scrubbing dishes. Get ready to feel the beat of change. Our ears are turning the rhythm of conservation into a movement. Let us welcome them as they dance for a sustainable future.
Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Planet Earth is a happy place.
Use what is neat, do what is right. Reuse the things, give them new life. A bottle, a bag, a jar, or a knife. Recycle the rest, don't let it decay. Turn old into new, in a greener way. Together we stand, both you and me. Guardians of earth, let's keep it true. The triple R shines, the promise we make for a cleaner tomorrow, the steps we take. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
As we come to the end of today's assembly, now my classmates are ready to perform a melodious closing song.
Now I would request that the principal to come on stage for some words of encouragement.
A very good afternoon to you, teachers and my dear students. Good afternoon, children. Please be seated. What did we learn this afternoon? Who will tell me?
Today we learn save the earth.
Give him a clap. Give him a clap. Very good.
Today we learn to don't waste water and keep care of our earth.
Today we learned how to recycle, reuse and reduce.
We learned that we have to keep our earth clean.
Very good. Very good.
Today we learned that we have to save food.
That we have to save trees, water, recycle, reduce, reuse.
That we have to save energy and also not have to use plastic that can only be used a single time.
We don't have to kill animals. Nature and not destroy it. We will learn how to save environment. If we save environment, it will help to us more. We learn that we have to use cars, but we have to use non-pollution vehicles.
Very good.
Today we will learn the don't throw garbage in the street. Today we learn about to don't cut the trees. Today we learn about sustainability.
Well done. All of you go to the washroom, right? Yes? Yes. How many of you waste water? Raise your hand. How many of you waste? Yes, one hand has come up. Please give him a clap because at least he's honest. Alright, hands down. No, you're not going to get claps now, please. Put your hands down. Alright, so what we learned today is when you have waste in your hand, please throw it into the dustbin. When you go to the washroom, please do not waste water. Okay? When you are going out of the class, please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights. And the same thing you can do it at home. These very same things you can do it at home. Instead of asking your mother to do all this for you, you can do it. Please give a huge round of applause to class 5A teacher and students. Wonderful message. Thank you teacher. Thank you students. Very well done. Very well done.